The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Friday in our third week of Lent. Our gospel will be coming from St. Mark chapter 12, verses 28 to 34. It's all about the love of God and love of neighbor. Love God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, and love your neighbor as you love yourself. These are not supposed to be separated. We cannot claim that we love God and yet we hate our neighbor. And we cannot claim that we love our neighbor yet we hate our God. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, the fundamental challenge for all of us is to love one another. One of the questions that we usually get is that if we priests have ever been in love. And I always tell them, it would be a shame on my part if I do not know how to love. And I do not have the right to become a priest if I do not know how to love, because our mission is love. Just like what Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus said, our vocation is love. We cannot continue doing the will of God without loving our neighbor. And we cannot continue serving others without praising God in our life. As we come closer to the ultimate act of God's love, which is offering Himself and dying on the cross, let us also learn how to die with Christ and also learn how to live with Christ. To die for Christ is our expression of our love for God, and to live for Christ is our expression of our love for our neighbor. Dying for Christ and living for Christ so that we may truly be a disciple of Jesus who will be sharing, giving, and receiving love. God bless you.